So I forgot to mention, throughout the whole of August, I'm going to be doing a new 5-part series on how to manage trades. Trade management is by far the most important part to being consistent at trading. I could give you a 99% win ratio, but if you lose that 1% of trades, it could be enough to blow your entire account. That is why trade management is so important. It's not just about win, 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 win. It's about knowing how to manage your trades, how to maximize your wins and minimize your losses. And how do we do that? By trade management. So I'm going to be doing a 5-part series on the different types of trade management, from fixed stop losses and take profits, to trailing stop losses and take profits, to using different take profit levels, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and also compounding methods, how to build a small account to a large account, because it's not necessarily just win, 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 because you can have 90% wins, but those 10% of losses could be enough to blow your account. So it's good, and it's a good skill to learn about how to manage trade. So enjoy today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Financial Service Commission. Myself and the BD members have been using Go Markets for over 7 years now. They go above and beyond to support the BD community and their traders. They offer award-winning customer support, thousands of tradable products, and some of the lowest spreads in the industry. This is perfect if your style of trading is scalping like mine. If you're interested in signing up to Go Markets, please use the link in the description below. Thank you and enjoy today's video. Okay, today's date is the 21st of August. It's a Monday and it is 8:16 a.m. and this is London Open Mogwai strategy. First trade on GPUSD, or first arrow. I've already took the trade. GPUSD, as you can see here, nice little sell. Now, for somebody says they're not going to, somebody says that they're not trading for August, that has completely backfired. But there is a logical reason for this, and I'll explain to you actually while we're taking the trade. Okay, as you can see here, I've took a trade, and we'll just sit and watch it. So basically, I said that I was not going to do any trading in August at all. There's a very good reason for that, okay? And this is a bit of insight to how I make my money, okay? As you might know, with the whole world, there is a living crisis. Inflation has gone up, interest rates has gone up, and the cost of living is just getting very expensive. Now, for somebody that is smart, and I'm not smart, but for somebody that is very alert and watches what goes on around, you will notice that interest rates, i.e. savings accounts, ISA accounts, are giving out very high interest. So I decided for the whole of August, I'm going to empty my entire bank accounts and put them away in a savings account, okay? Because currently at the minute, they're offering 8% return, okay? 8% return is on average what most hedge fund traders do, on average what the S&P 500 does, what most stocks do. Okay, might be a little bit more, but you know, it fluctuates from year to year, sometimes a little bit lower, sometimes a little bit higher. And I thought, you know what, 8% for something that is in a savings account that is backed by the government, i.e. it's protected, anything less than £85,000 in the UK is protected by the government. So, you know, if you lose it, the government will pay it out. I was like, it's a no-brainer. I'm guaranteed to make money, 8% return. So that's basically what I did. However, the markets has just been insane. And I'm telling you now, the Pioneer Show, it has been insane. Just to give you some stats, and this is the reason why I'm trading on this video, okay? These are, I've written down here, I've actually got some stats as well. I'll show you here. Hold on, I'll find it. London Open. Here we are here, London Open. So these are the stats for last week, okay? London Open, last week. If you'd gone for 5 pips all of last week, 100%, you wouldn't have lost. 10 pips, There you go there. You would have only lost one. So last week was a very good week with London Open. Now, I actually have the stats as well in front of me, okay? To give you an example, if we had gone for 5 pips so far this month in August, we would have made an 18% gain. If you had gone for 10 pips, so 5 pip stop loss, 10 pip stop loss, 5 pip take profit, 18% gain. 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit, 14% gain. 10 pip stop loss, 15% take profit, again, 14% gain. This means, right, there's 10 trading days left for August. If I lose basically for the next 10 days, I have still made money with London Open, which is insane. That's the reason why, because I went to Dubai and I noticed that the thebinarydestroyer was just chucking out some phenomenal signals. I was like, right, okay, I've got to trade. I said that I was going to be doing, I basically said that I'm not going to do any trading, but what turned out was I've had my best month ever. Just going across the screen now are my results while I was trading in Dubai. So I've spent less time on the charts, basically 10-20 minutes trading London Open in the morning. The rest of the time I'm trading off my mobile phone. To give you an example here, hold on, give me a sec here. I've got to load up my trading view. Hold on here. To give you an example here, I'm trading off my phone. As you can see here, this is the thebinarydestroyer on trading view. So basically I'm doing less chart time and I'm making more money. So everything's kind of backfired, but you know, that's trading for you, I guess. I don't know if it's bad. I don't know if I've got an addiction or I just love trading that much and you can't keep me away from it. I don't know, but you know, August is good, and I feel if you're not on the charts during August, you're missing out, because obviously August tends to be the most quiet time because everyone's on holiday. However, it also means that it's more, can't really say more predictable, but it's definitely more ranging. Price ranges quite a lot and it's easier to kind of predict the flow of price. You know, you don't just get random spikes and movements, which is good. London Open doesn't look good, okay, but again, I'm not really that bothered because you know, it will be fine. Don't worry, it will be fine. We will end the weekend profit like we always do with London Open. It's currently sitting at minus 0.3 pips. There you go there. It's less than a 3 pips. There you go, 1.6. So, you know, we're pretty confident we're going to win this. I wouldn't worry. There you go there. It's dropping nicely. What I'll do is I'll pause the video. I'll come straight back. TP has finally been hit. Oh boy, was this a good setup. You know what? I kind of knew in the back of my mind that it was win. So as you see here, London Open, TP hit, TP hit, TP hit, TP hit, TP hit. I'll show you the actual setup. This has literally been like 20 minutes afterwards. The trade literally went to like 30 pips, 28 pips. Honestly, insane. Just to show you, obviously, I've set up this account specifically just for London Open. The reason why I've done this is because I've been trading London Open since March, right? And I get people asking me how it performs. And it's always very difficult because normally I'm trading it with my normal Mogwai strategy. So it kind of, you know, just feeds into the results. So I can't really say, you know, how well it's done from week to week or month to month. So I've decided to set up an entire new account and just do London Open. Just to give you an example here, the current month, as you can see here, I've only had one loss, but obviously I've only been going for 6 days. But yeah, London Open this week was, yeah, phenomenal. Absolutely insane. I wouldn't expect anything less. Just taking Mogwai arrows. Who would have thought, eh? So I'm bringing out a new service that is completely revolutionary to the Forex industry. Nobody else is doing this. And this is why I love it, because I'm always at the forefront of education. So let me explain to you my new service. Every BD member that joins us will now have an option to have a piece of software. This piece of software will basically analyze your entire trading account. Tell you your best currency pairs, your worst currency pairs, your best trading days, your worst trading days, your risk reward ratio, your risk per trade. everything. It's going to tell you everything about your personal trading. Now, there are softwares out there that do it already, perhaps the Trading Journal or MyFXbook, but this is where we're going to go above and beyond that nobody else is doing. When you purchase the Binary Destroyer and you use the same settings and same brokers as everybody else, you get the same setups, the same arrows. Okay, so I will be able to log into your, well, I won't be able to log in, but I'll be able to view your profile, your trading account profile, and I'll be able to see the Mogwai or Binary Destroyer setups that you are taking. I'll be able to see everything about your trading account, where you're putting your stop losses, where you're putting your take profits, what currency pairs you're trading the most. And I'll be able to see the setups that you are taking with the Binary Destroyer. And I'll be able to provide you personal one-on-one training. I can see the setups you're taking and provide feedback in terms of videos or screenshots or pictures or whatever, text. This is the most efficient, simple and quick way to provide one-on-one training. Nobody else is doing that. It's not like, it's easy to say this, right? You can view my profile and you can see the Mogwai setups that I'm taking. You can see where I'm putting my stop loss, where I'm putting my take profit, what currency pair I got that set up on, the amount of money I made, and you can analyze yours and go, hang on here, I can see why he's took that particular trade, and then I'll be able to log into your profile and say, hang on here, the trade that you took was risky because of this. It's a game changer. Nobody else is doing that, okay? Because normally people are teaching people price action, okay? But price action is always controversial because you perhaps have a trend line and some people will see a trend line and some people don't see it. Well, who's right? The person that can see it or the person that doesn't see it? You know, when you're trading the buy and short, there's no escaping it. You know, when I trade London Open and I get Mogwai arrows, you can go back at any particular time, you know, 15th of June 2022, and you can find the London Open Mogwai arrow and you can see if it won. There's no hiding that, okay? And this is why this new software is going to be revolutionary, because I can see exactly what you have done on a particular day. I can see the setups that you would have got with the Binary Destroyer, and I can say, why didn't you take this one? Why didn't you take that one? Yeah, it's a game changer. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully everything will be released very soon in the next month or month after that. Like I said, it's still, nobody else has done this, so it's kind of ironing out all the bugs. But yeah, fingers crossed, very exciting time. Hope you enjoyed today's video. My name is Jamie Palmer.